The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, on this model compares the rolling radius of each tire to determine when one or more tires is underinflated. If a low tire is detected, an indicator will illuminate in the driver information interface and a message will appear. After the tire pressure is corrected in each tire, the tires are rotated or a tire is replaced, the TPMS must be recalibrated to make the indicator light go out. To begin the process, the vehicle must be parked with the power on. Press the Home button on the touchscreen, then touch Vehicle Settings. Touch TPMS Calibration, then select Calibrate. If Calibration Failed to Start appears, repeat the previous step. The calibration process will finish automatically within a few miles of driving. See your vehicle's owner's manual for more details or go to owners.honda.com for a downloadable version.